Hello everyone, my name is Surabhi and today we are going to be discussing some important time management skills and tips which you can inculcate into your daily schedule in order to make the most of your time and be very productive. So let's start. So the very first thing which comes to mind when it comes to time management is to have a set schedule. So have a set schedule of waking up and going to bed. So this will give you a very nice flexible schedule in order to plan your waking hours properly and also give you an understanding of your sleep cycle. So this is very important, and also one thing which comes hand in hand with this is to have consistency. So you can do one thing every day which is same, which is consistent. So it could be having the same breakfast, or it could be having the same morning routine, like probably having coffee in the morning, or something which is consistent in your whole schedule. So this will give you like an understanding that you're awake. So if you do that in the morning, you're awake. Second thing which I do to manage my time better is to basically set an intention every night before you go to bed. So how this works is that you write a journal entry of how you want the day to be like, and you basically get into the details. I woke up at this time, I did this, I had these meetings and how they went, and what you did during the day, what all you were able to complete, everything. So you write that journal entry in past tense so that you are reprogramming your subconscious mind in order to kind of like be prepared for the day, and that's already in your mind, like that day is in your mind. It's like as though the day already happened and you wrote the journal entry then. So always set an intention for the day of what you want to do during the day and how you want to do it. This will just prepare you for the day, and this will not like waste time. It's already prepared you for what is to come. My second point brings me to my third point, which is basically writing lists. So I love lists because they just help me organize my thoughts so much better, and I just feel very organized because of the list. So what you do here is you just whenever you're starting your work, just 15 minutes, give yourself time to pull out a list and organize your day in timestamps. So you can just write down 9 to 10 you're going to have a meeting or whatever work you're supposed to do. 10 to 11, just plan out your day in terms of timestamps, and this also helps you understand how much work and how much time that work is going to kind of like need. So it just helps you break down your work in terms of time. So my fourth tip is to plan ahead. So I've already covered this a lot in my past 2 points, but what this means is to plan your week ahead. So if you can have a rough idea of what you're supposed to do during the week, it will just take the pressure off you, and it's going to make you feel more organized. So what you're going to do here is basically use tools like Google Calendar and block schedule and color code your events. So if you know that you're going to work 9 to 5, you know that you have your evenings free. So you can have meetings or you can probably do some extra stuff. So just block schedule your week. 9 to 5 I have work, evenings I have available, you can probably reach me out, you can have meetings with me. Then on weekends I have other things going on during the afternoon, and on Sundays I probably have time. So kind of have a rough idea of where your time is going during that week so that you are just more organized, and if someone wants to have a call with you or meet you, you know that what are your free available time slots, and this will just help you organize your week so much better. And I feel that Google Calendar just saves the day so well. If you use it in a proper way, Google Calendar can really help you manage your time really well. So use it and have fun with it. So my fifth tip is to escape procrastination. This is really hard. I mean, I struggle with it myself. I would probably procrastinate editing this video. But the thing is that all you need to do is to escape the procrastination part is to break the task down. So tell yourself, okay, if I'll take 2 minutes to send this email, I'll do it now. If I need to just send the email to 10 people, I'll just copy paste the mailing list and I'll do it now. If I just need to edit a 5-minute video, I'll do it now. Kind of break it down into smaller tasks and do it at the moment so that you can just escape the procrastination part. And this will save so much time, because see, why we procrastinate is because of the resistance part. So we are just feeling that we won't give our best on that task because it's a huge task, so we just kind of procrastinate it. So try and break it down into smaller steps and understand that done is better than perfect. So escape perfectionism and escape procrastination in this way. So, tip number 7 is to schedule everything. So, as I mentioned in the last few tips, use Google Calendar or any other planning app, but schedule everything. So, even your lunch meals, your like dinner meals, just try and put a time to it, like when you're going to do stuff. So, you're not just flicking time away, but you kind of have a schedule sorted in your mind. So, this will just take pressure off you, and it will just kind of like help you function in autopilot so that you can just get stuff done. So the last point which I want to mention is to just do it. So like just do your tasks, and even if you're a night bird or an early bird, it doesn't matter because time is just an illusion. So just make the most of whatever you can, and try and do all your tasks and just feel happy about it. That's what we are here for. So just be energetic, be happy, and have a wonderful day. If you like this video, then do let me know and do subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making content like this more often, and see you next week.